Buongiorno, and I'm here in bellissimo Malignano in the Lunigiana with my lovely friend Federico.
Ciao!
And Federico and I, he's brought us up the top of this mountain. It's just incredible to see this gorgeous house that we're sitting in front of here in the little square. Federico, di che epoca è la casa?
Allora, la casa è una casa in pietra originaria della fine del 1700,
Wow.
poi è stata ristrutturata recentemente.
Okay, so it was built at the end of the 1700s, but has been recently redone. So, and to a really beautiful level, you'll see. I was very, very impressed. So, Federico, a che cosa stiamo guardando quando vediamo quella bella vista?
Noi vediamo la bellissima vista della Lunigiana che si apre sulla vallata, ma in particolare sulle splendide Alpi Apuane. Alpi Apuane che parlano da sole, oserei dire.
Infatti, hai ragione. So I asked Federico what we were looking at when we see that view, and for people that are mountain lovers, which I know a lot of you are, we are looking at the Alps, Apuane, so they're called the Apuan Alps, which are just spectacular. To me, they remind me of the true Alps, or even the Dolomites. They're a mountain lover's delight, and they have snow in winter, so if you're a ski lover, you can come here, have a holiday home that you could use both in summer and winter. Se Federico, ci puoi spiegare che cosa c'è dentro questa bellissima casa?
Allora, una bellissima casa in pietra, affascinante perché ci sono particolari, diciamo, di un tempo, come
Sì.
il camino come era
Bello.
originale, e soprattutto il lavandino in marmo
Sì.
con la lastra,
È
che era
vero.
una particolarità delle nostre cucine. E poi c'è la fantastica terrazza che
Sì.
dà la vista sulle Alpi Apuane,
Favolosa.
dove è ideale prendersi un caffè, un aperitivo, rilassarsi, leggere un
Qualsiasi-
libro,
sì.
qualsiasi cosa,
Infatti.
guardare le stelle.
E quanti metri quadrati abbiamo più o meno?
Allora, indicativamente, cioè i metri quadrati sono 110 metri quadrati
Ok, 110 square meters approximately.
e la casa ha un ingresso con sala, cucina, un salottino, terrazza, 2 camere, un bagno. Da
Perfetto.
queste stanze si può ottenere anche una piccola terza camera.
Sì, ho spiegato. I explained to you. You'll see that during the film I'll explain how the rooms could be used differently. But it's the perfect holiday home, or even for someone that just loves being in the mountains. There's plenty of space. It's a wonderful home also to make money from renting out, so great investment. Grazie Federico.
Grazie a te.
Let's go inside this sweet, it's like a little jewel box house here in Malignano, in Lunigiana, right through the lovely new front doors into a lovely hallway. What a lovely entrance hall you have, and let's see what lies beyond these beautiful marble steps. Up we go. My goodness gracious, you're not going to believe what's in front of me. Look where I am. Look at these incredible vistas from this balcony. I feel like I'm on top of the world. If you want to live somewhere with spectacular mountain views and have a holiday home that you can just lock up and leave or even rent out, this could be the perfect combination of all those things for you. Let's go inside. I've started at the top of this property today to give you that amazing view. This bedroom also has those incredible views. This beautiful house, which is in a wonderful little village in the Lunigiana, just 10 to 15 minutes drive from Fivizzano, has been fully restructured in every possible way. electricity, plumbing, roof, outside, brand new windows with double glazing, lovely new shutters, views forever. An absolute perfect holiday home or holiday rental. Very, very close also to the village of Licciananardi. This little village is called Malignano, and it's a little mountain paradise. Let's go and look at the next bedroom. So the second bedroom up on the top floor here again is beautifully outfitted. They have put a single bed, and you can see there is tons of space. It's equally a double bedroom in here. Very prettily set up for holiday rental. A little village view out of the windows of this room with distant mountain views just there. So you have 2 bedrooms upstairs. Your bathroom is on the next level down, with another room that could easily be used as a 3rd bedroom if necessary. I love the paint finishes in the house. It's been done with a rustic charm, but which really suits this house. And you'll see that the staircases throughout are all Carrara marble. Really lovely finishes. So let's go into this jewel box of a kitchen and dining area. I walked in here and just went, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. If you love country rustic, but with all the mod cons, this is really perfect for you. A lovely old chimney there that's not functioning at the moment, but you could perhaps put a pellet stove in there to heat up all of the house. Another beautiful window at your sink, looking over those spectacular mountain views. And talking of sinks, traditional original Carrara marble sink, Carrara marble bench tops, and then they've created this gorgeous little eating room here, dining room. It is set up for holiday makers at the moment, so you'll see that there are little bits and pieces on the table. You have all your crockery. They're happy to sell with, I think, just about everything that's inside this home. So that is a discussion to have, but I'm pretty sure that the agent believes that it will be sold as is. You have the mixture of terrazzo flooring throughout, which is very easy to look after and clean. I love the little parts of stonework throughout that's been left, and the suite doors coming in. Let's go into the next room. So we pass into this other lovely room here, which has a divano letto or a sofa bed in it. It could easily be used as another bedroom space, or just as it is at the moment as a lovely cozy lounge area. They have a TV in here. Look, this was an ancient tower, this building, so you have the beautiful rounded walls there. Just magnificent. And through a lovely door here, we go into a little sort of ante-room, little dressing area here with lots and lots of windows. They have the curtains closed at the moment. And then off there you have the bathroom, which is compact but really sweetly done. Lovely marble top there. You might want to put in a glass shower rather than the curtain, but it is totally perfectly done the way it is at the moment. Just walk in and start using it. Everything is brand new, so there's not a thing to do unless you want to make changes yourself. So this is the first floor, and then out back into this beautiful hallway, which takes us down the stairs to the entry hall downstairs. The lovely little chandelier in the corner.
So Federica was just letting me know, in fact, there's a difference between different Alps. Cosa dicevi, Federico, per le Alpi?
Allora, il bello di questa zona è che ci sono due parchi nazionali.
Ok.
Uno è il Parco Nazionale delle Alpi Apuane,
Ok.
dove si possono scalare,
Okay. Climbing.
fantastiche. Tra
Yeah.
l'altro in determinati punti si vede tutta la vallata della Lunigiana e il mare. E
Okay.
arriviamo fino alle cave di marmo,
Wow.
marmo di Carrara. Poi abbiamo incredibilmente un altro parco nazionale, Appennino Tosco-Emiliano,
Okay.
dove a soli 30-35 minuti da qui si può andare a sciare da dicembre a marzo.
Okay. So from December to March, you go to a different park, which has a different name, but it's just close by. The Alps we were talking about before are for climbing, so two different lots of Alps.